Testimony is finished in the Dale Warner murder trial.
The nearly 4-week trial concluded with Dee Warner's brother taking the stand.
Melissa Andrews is in Lenawee County with what happened today and what happens next.
It was a pivotal morning in the Dale Warner murder trial with a series of events and the defense and prosecution resting after 34 witnesses, half that were on the list. The day began with a motion for a directed verdict as defense attorney Mary Chartier asked the judge to dismiss the case before it goes to the jury, arguing the prosecution did not present sufficient evidence. Prosecutor Jackie Wise asked that it be denied. The judge ruled from the bench denying the motion and allowing the case to move forward. Dale Warner then formally waived his right to testify.
Mr. Warner, you understand you have the constitutional right not to testify at trial, correct?
Yes.
And that right means that if you choose not to testify, the jury cannot hold that against you when they are deliberating. Do you understand that?
Yes.
At this time, is it your decision that you will not be testifying at trial?
That's correct, yes.
The defense called 3 witnesses before resting. First was Warner's ex-wife, Julie Bach, who testified briefly about their nearly 15-year marriage and described their divorce as civil. On cross-examination, prosecutors highlighted custody disputes, child support payments, and a call Warner made to her shortly after Dee Warner disappeared. Next, former employee Todd Nehring testified he last saw Dee on April 23rd and described her as agitated and dressed unusually casual. He told jurors he was at the farm early the morning she was reported missing and saw lights and televisions on inside the home, something he said was normal. The final witness, Dee's brother Greg Hardy, gave emotional testimony describing their 19-year age gap.
Well, as you mentioned, I was already in school when my mom had my sister, and so we never really lived as a family.
Did you take on a kind of a father role with Dee?
Yes, unfortunately.
Hardy told jurors Dale said Dee left after a fight and was picked up by someone, but Hardy said he never saw significant effort from Dale to find her.
I requested Dale to come to my office on Sunday morning, and a Sunday morning, which he did do. And I, by this time, was getting pretty stern about this. I told him that I thought he should offer a cash reward for the public to find his wife.
Okay. And did he agree to that?
No.
Did you end up doing it?
I did.
After less than a full morning of testimony, the defense rested at 10:45 a.m., setting the stage for closing arguments and jury deliberations to come. The attorneys have tomorrow off to prepare their closing arguments, so we'll be back in court on Thursday morning at 9. Closing arguments will happen. The judge will deliver jury instructions after that. It could take about an hour, and then the jury will have the case. Reporting in Adrian, Melissa Andrews, WTOL 11.
Melissa, much appreciated. You can watch the trial as it happens live in the courtroom on WTOL 11+.
The WTOL 11 team recently sat down with a former detective and private investigator to discuss the case. You can watch that right now on WTOL 11+ for free.